Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back. Today we are talking about AI agents and how they are changing the digital world. You might already know basic chatbots that answer simple questions. But AI agents are much smarter. They can independently plan, make decisions, and complete complex multi-step tasks all by themselves. How do they actually do this? Unlike basic chat software, AI agents can connect to external tools. They can browse web pages, read spreadsheets, check databases, and use software APIs to complete digital work without needing a human to click every button. Let us look at a real-world example. The shopping and finance company Klarna uses an AI customer support assistant powered by OpenAI. This agent handles order tracking, answers questions, and processes customer refunds 24/7 without needing human staff for routine requests. In fact, it independently handles about 2/3 of all Klarna customer service chats. And the speed is amazing. Klarna reduced its average customer resolution time from 11 minutes down to under 2 minutes. This saves customers time and frees up human workers from doing boring, repetitive chores. Beyond customer service, there are many popular AI agent use cases. In software engineering, agents like Devon and GitHub Copilot Workspace help developers write and debug code automatically. Other agents perform market research, handle personal scheduling, and manage office workflows. Does this mean AI agents work completely alone? Not always. For important high-stakes tasks, companies use a practice called human in the loop. This means human experts review the agent's work to double-check accuracy, safety, and compliance. AI agents are moving us from simple chat tools to powerful digital helpers that get real work done. What multi-step task would you give to an AI agent? Tell us in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.